Really likes that, huh? How come he's never done that with the bath?
I think it's not deep enough.
I think so too.
It's an awkward shape. This is just perfect for him.
Okay, so you fit in it.
Bobby, you have your own. Are you stupid or something?
They like to fight, you know that. I don't think Bobby is gutsy enough to do that though.
Okay, she's a small boy. Wait, Bobby.
Go there, Bob.
It's because he can't get in there good.
I've never seen him do that.
He's like exacerbated.
He's just trying to get clean, man.
This is probably why he's been so dusty.
His tail feathers are so pretty.
Aren't they?
Yeah.
He's gonna flip over. He's trying to get
What
his
is
home.
going on?
He's gonna end up flipping